Viral's Shopify app tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Viral on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow online store with ease, in which Shopify provides user with tools for website design, product management, payment processing, inventory tracking, marketing, and customer engagement, all within one integrated system. It supports businesses of different sizes from small startups to large international brands by offering customizable themes, secure payment gateways, and access to various third-party applications through Shopify App Store. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description, or alternatively you can click the Start for Free button on the top right corner. As you can see in here, you can sign in using your Apple ID, Google account, and even using your Facebook account. After choosing your preferred way of signing in, you will now be able to be directed on the homepage of Shopify. On the left side panel, it will show us in here a variety of options to navigate. But to start, just go to the App section and click Add button. On this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find this Shopify App Store. Upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on the Shopify App Store. And in here, it will show you a variety of applications that you can start installing on your Shopify store. You would also scroll down and it will show you a variety of it. But since we're trying to install the Vitals, all you need to do is go to the search bar and search Vitals. Upon searching on it, you should be able to see here the first match, which is this one. You can start clicking in here, and upon doing so, it will show you the overview of this application, in which it is an all-in-one Shopify app, product reviews, product bundles, and also it will show you below the pricing plan of it. Then the reviews below here. Now to start using this, just click the install button to proceed. Upon doing so, you will automatically be directed on the page where the next thing that we need to do is to simply click the install button in order for us to successfully install this in our Shopify store. So now from here, after successfully installing it, you should be able to be directed on the page in here where it will show you that you can now start adding it to your Shopify store. So all you need to do is wait for it to load and you will be directed in here. Then just click this button, Add Vitals to my store. Upon clicking on it, it will automatically add the Vitals to your Shopify store, in which it is designed to help online store owners improve sales, customer engagement, and overall store performance. So now as you can see in here, it will show us our store revenue generated or search analytics in here. And you could also open and collect and display the reviews in our store. All you need to do is simply activate the app in here. This is basically what it looks like. But to see the demo store, you can click View Demo Store in here in our App Store. And it will show you that all of this are pretty much accessible on Vitals. Though using Vitals, you can see some of this in our Shopify store. All of these are pretty much applicable. All we need to do is simply activate the Vitals in here in our Shopify store. But you also need to purchase the plan in order to do it. Now aside from that, if you also going back in here, it will show you that you could also create your first upsell offer to increase sale, enable 4 more apps if you want to. And by clicking the apps option, we have an option to do product reviews, add upsell builder, product bundles, and many more. So for example, the product reviews in here, you can automatically activate this one in order to have this kind of product reviews from the customer. You have an option to import the reviews from other apps, AliExpress, CSV, and many more. Which the purpose of this is to build customer trust, increasing credibility, and influencing purchasing decisions. And reviews allow buyer to share their experiences, feedback, and satisfaction with the product, helping potential customer evaluate the product quality and even the performance of this, the reliability before making a purchase. Now aside from this, you can even request a review or collect the reviews in here. All you need to do is to simply email the buyers after receiving the item. Now aside from those kind of apps feature, you could also navigate in here on the left side panel these widgets to add a reviews carousel, trust safe widgets, and many more. Volume discount, recently viewed, and any other kind of widgets in here. In which in Shopify store it is used to add interactive features and improve the functionality appearance, and user experience for an online store. For example, this kind of review, you could even add a title of it, change the alignment of title, and even the font size, font style, the layout of it, and even the carousel, maximum, width, height. Change the text color. All you need to do is choose the color palette that you prefer, and it will show you the changes upon doing so. So for example, I'm going to choose here this kind of color. Now for the star, I'm going to choose the color yellow in here. So you can place it directly this color, which is this one as an example. So basically, it is pretty much accessible and customizable in here, since widgets are designed to enhance the customer engagement, encourage purchases, and make navigation more convenient for shoppers. It also allows store owners to customize their website without extensive coding. Now here are also the analytics that you can track the number of your impression, number of clicks, review request emails, collected reviews, and revenue in here. Now aside from this, you could also navigate on the left side panel the theme sections, in which this option is customizable content blocks that allow merchants to organize and design different parts of their online store without needing advanced coding skills, in which this section includes banners, featured products, image galleries, slideshows, testimonials, collection lists, videos, and contact forms. Such as, for example, is your frequently asked question. You can start installing this on your team by clicking on it, but you could also view the preview of it to see what it looks like. This is basically what the frequently asked question. Upon clicking on each question, it will show us the corresponding answer to it. Now moving on, aside from those, you could also navigate this AI Marketing Studio, it is a digital marketing tool that uses artificial intelligence to help businesses create, manage, and optimize marketing content and campaigns more efficiently. The purpose is to automate tasks such as generating advertisements, writing product descriptions, creating social media posts, designing promotional materials, and many more. Aside from that, you can even navigate this Vitals Assistant, in which it is a support and automation feature within the Vitals app that helps Shopify store owners manage and optimize their online stores more effectively. The purpose of this is to guide users in setting up different Vitals tools, monitor store performance, recommend improvements, and automate marketing or customer engagement tasks. So basically, the assistant helps merchants maximize the app's features such as upselling, product reviews, trust badges, pop-ups, and analytics, making store engagement easier and more efficient. So basically, knowing the fact that we already know some of the features that offers by Vitals, the importance of using this in our Shopify store lies in its ability to combine multiple essential e-commerce tools into one integrated application. And this helped the store owners improve website performance, reduce the need for installing many separate apps, and even simplify store management. And Vitals provides features such as product reviews, upselling tools, trust badges, and even pop-ups, visitor tracking, and email marketing, all of which help increase customer trust and even enhance the user experience. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Vitals app on Shopify. Thank you.